Hello friends, one car came to the service with unbalancing wheels and same noise came from the suspicions. They lifted the car, checked the entire suspicions and found nothing wrong. After disbalancing the wheels, we discovered that there is a pad inside the tire to dampen the wheels, so that the noise from the wheels doesn't leak into the car interior. Glue by this way. One of the pad was peeling off and the noise came from the pad. This should be glued to the wheels itself, not the tire. That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.